we ready, kids?
Yes.
Ay, Captain. Woo! Makapag-holiday nga. Kahit konting pong ano lang. Kahit 3 days lang. Hello guys. Alis kami. For 3 days. Ay, naka-Lord.
PE253HA.
So, dadaan muna kami ng aquarium kasi ang bata, puro na-miss daw ang old home. Na-miss ang shark planet. Na-miss ang everything. So, talagang kawawa na. Gusto mag-fishing. So, buti na lang may naka-free kami ng accommodation. So, pagkain na lang at ano namin.
It says Eva Road. Let's go Eva Road for a change. Bye house. See you soon.
Bye, house. Did you feed the shark, yeah?
Did we feed everything?
Everything.
I feed the plants.
Not on the wrong way.
Malapit lang siya dito. Sa pili lang namin malapit. Malapit sa amin. Ano lang siya. 2 hours drive. Magka-camping sana kami somewhere like Cornwall.
Can't stand this busy traffic.
Pero grabe, ang init-init oh. What is the temperature? Oh, 29 degrees.
922.
29 today.
Crikey.
Turn next left.
So,
then
bukas
take the
magbe-beach
next
kami.
right turn.
Buti na lang kamo, hindi kami nakapag-book ng camping. Kasi wala kaming gamit. Yung mga gamit namin ng camping, nadugas nung mga tracking na
Follow the road for 1 mile.
hinire namin sa removal. Wala kaming tent lang talaga tinira sa amin, tsaka yung upuan. Lahat ng nakabox like mga lutuan, kaldero, kawali, plato, palanggana na mga folded, kutsara, tinidor, baso, andoon. Tsaka airbed namin nandoon. Wala kaming airbed.
Do you know where Mum's coin collection is?
I have it.
You do?
Yeah. That is the first thing I looked at it. I think it is because I move it in the but I just look for the box, yeah. I will look again when we came back if it is complete. It's like 2 parts in it. There is one like with the album.
So there's 2 card albums and then there's a big tub.
Yeah, I think I only got the big tub, but I will have a look. We didn't see in the boxes, didn't we? The album one.
That might be in the suitcase, I don't know.
Oh yeah. Tapos yung lahat ng aking Christmas decoration as in wala. Yung mga tinabi ko lang naman ng mga Christmas decoration ay yung mga malalaki, yung mga reindeer, tsaka yung mga sentimental value namin, yung malalaking bubbles na may family picture namin sa loob. Tapos yung medyo may presyo na kasi sabi namin bibili talaga kami ng bagong mga decoration paglipat namin. Kaya yung inano ko lang yung mga sentimental value, tapos yung may mga presyo. Tsaka mga Christmas light, kasi ang Christmas light ngayon ang mamahal. May 7 bundles ata akong Christmas light doon. Yung 200 bulbs na Christmas light ngayon ang mahal na. So ayan, talagang nakakainis. Mga sobra siguro mga 300 pounds ang na yun.
Leave roundabout at the second exit.
Yung time na yun kapag binili namin nung time na yun. Ngayon pag syempre pag bibilhin uli namin, mahal na uli. Buti na lang talaga kasi hindi kami nakaano ng camping kundi. Oh wow guys, tingnan nyo na yun. Ay, mali.
You just show them your left ear. Right ear.
Yeah, yung mga dito ba? Ayan. Kasi malapit lang kami dito. Kidington looks fancy place dati, no? Is it, you think?
It's just a nice little village.
Yeah.
Some new
Binenta
builds.
namin yung treadmill namin kahapon para may baon kami. Binili na ay taga dito yung nakabili ng aming treadmill. Naka-bargain sila, ha. Pag biniling bago yung 600 plus. Binenta ko lang yung namin 100 para lang matanggal doon sa shed. Hindi namin ginagamit. Bili namin noon kulang-kulang 400 that time. After COVID. After lockdown ng COVID. Ganda, oh. Ganda ng place pala na to. Laki-laki ng sasakyan nung nakabili. Pero kahit mukhang may pera. Pero talagang nag-ano pa rin sila sa marketplace. Otherwise. Kaya may 100 akong baon. Pang-arcade namin mamaya.
Day one.
Day 1, may pang-arcade kami mamaya.
If we get to trade it for a load of stickers at the end of the day, sticker gone. That's the toilet falls apart.
May pang-arcade. Ayos na to. Basta nakalabas lang kami, tsaka magano na lang kami, trip na lang kami ang outside. Palibot-libot. Basta makapag-beach lang kami, ayos na. Ganda.
You love drivers like this.
Yeah, really love it.
You taking notes of these trees, Andrew? You taking notes? Obviously no.
No. Ay, guys, ang ganda, look ang field. So, ayan. Let's try na mag-enjoy kahit basta positive lang. Positive lang tayo, guys. Ay, ang ganda. Ganito lang, marirelax ka na eh. Maybe you can open your a little bit as well, just with that side. Very relaxing. So far, 2 months. Magti 3 months na tayo, Very close na in 3 months. Ay,
No, 2.
2 months pa lang pala.
Just over 2.
Kami dito. So far, wala pa kaming negative feeling. Wala pa talaga kaming sabi, ay, bakit dito tayo? Wala pa din. Na-enjoy pa rin namin talaga na pa rin kami. Pa rin kami, happy pa rin kami. Yung happiness namin hindi pa babawasan. Ganda. Diba? Oops. Ha! Accident ba yan?
Expect so.
Yeah, parang may aksidente sa sa unahan. Motorbikes. And then motorbikes and car.